Hey, what's up everybody? It's another beautiful day. Welcome to my channel. I go by the name KLEE. To save the energy and time, call me K Lee. Today I'm going to show you how to import a video clip, or the other name you can call it footage, into Adobe Premiere Pro. There is three major ways you can use to import footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first way how to import, just go to the file, scroll down up to the word import. The shortcut is Command I. Just press it. You'll find a finder is just pop up. Go to the file you want to import. For me, I'm going to my Kaylee files. Salon Locals. Let's say I'm going to import this file over here. When I press import, it's just import a file. That is the first way how to import. I'm going to undo, Command Z. The second way how to import, just go to the project panel here, just double click it, and the finder will pop up. When you just go and choose the file you want to import it, the same file, I just click import it. Here we go, the file is here. Also, I'm going to undo. And the last way how to import is just go open your finder, go to the file you want to import in your finder, this file, and then just drag it into the media sort. When you left it, it's just going to load, and we see our file is here. Well, that is the three ways how to import your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Please do not forget to subscribe, that like, share, and comment if you find this tutorial very useful for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.